How to fix Messenger waiting for network issue. Hey guys, so the first thing that we can do is to swipe down to our control center at the top right part of your phone, and let's try to switch to cellular data right here. You can tap on cellular data and turn off your Wi-Fi connection to see if it is available and faster than your Wi-Fi connection, and go back to the Messenger app and see if that fixes your problem. So you can open up the Messenger app and see if you can already send a message, like a test message. If that does not work, you can also try to switch back to the Wi-Fi if that is working better for you. If that does not fix the problem, you can also go to Safari right here and double check our internet speed by typing in internet speed test, and then run a speed test from here. Click on run speed test and see if your download and upload speed is good for sending a message through the Messenger app. If it is more than 5 Mbps, your internet should be good, and this should be working on your Messenger app as well. Now, if that is not a problem, we can go to the App Store right here, click on the search icon at the bottom right, and let's search for 1.1.1.1. Now, this is a specific app which is a VPN tool, so we can click on get right here to install that app, so we can connect to a more private internet and a faster internet as it claims. So we can try and install this app and see if it fixes our problem. So click on open right here, click on next, click on accept, and click on install VPN profile. Click on allow, and it should take you to your settings and let you type in your passcode. Click on allow notifications, allow, and click on the toggle button right here to connect to a specific connection, and wait for it to say that you're connected, and you can go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your problem. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.